What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to be looking at the best Shopify dropship plugins. We're going over 5 different apps here, looking at their feature set, where they're dropshipping from, as well as the UI, review, and pricing, so you get an idea of what these dropship apps are about, so you can decide which one you want to be using for your store. We're also going to look at different categories, from print on demand to US dropshipping to Aliexpress dropshipping, so make sure you stay to the end of the video here. If you're enjoying any of the content along the way, I would love it so much if you could hit that like and subscribe button below as well. So we're currently on the road to 3,000 subscribers here. Before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. It also comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below. And I'm just going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
All right, so let's dive into it now. The first app we're going to take a look at is Deezer's Aliexpress Dropshipping. It allows you to place hundreds of orders in seconds. It makes it really easy to find and import products, and this has become the most popular app for Aliexpress dropshipping. If we take a look at the UI, you can head into Aliexpress, and it's going to use a Chrome extension to let you add the item to Deezer's. You can check the shipping information before you play it. It allows for supplier optimization here. Overall, it's an extremely popular app. So we can see they have over 9,500 5-star reviews with a 4.9 star rating. And they have a pretty generous free plan here, so we can see the free plan includes bulk ordering, basic mapping. You can manage up to 3,000 products on 3 different stores. You can have automated order status syncing, automated tracking number syncing, and you can sync that tracking number to PayPal. That can be really important too with PayPal to show them that the orders are being shipped out, they are real. This can help with chargebacks as well if there are any, as that tracking numbers are going to automatically be imported there. And when you go up to the advanced plan for $20 a month, you get 10 stores and 20,000 products. And at the $50 a month plan, you get 25 store and 75,000 products. And you can manage multiple platforms in one account. Next, we'll take a look at Printful. So this is print on demand dropshipping. If you're looking to do more apparel items, it allows you to create custom products, and you can then dropship these items on a one-off basis. So if we go to some of their products here, these are the premium products. They have t-shirts, bags, swimwear, hoodies, leggings, hats, phone cases, row pillows, dresses, skirts, and posters, and there are actually 329 products available for you to sell. We can create your own custom designs and put them on basically any type of item here. The thing about Printful that's really great is they have tons of facilities here. They have their own facilities as well as different partner facilities, so you can make sure your customers are getting their orders quickly, which is something that would be so difficult for you to do yourself as an independent merchant. They also have design tools and markup, making it really easy to display your products. We can see here with this dinosaur design, I believe, you can display it in a front to back facing. They also have different models that look like they're wearing your apparel as well. You can also let customers create personalization here to get their own designs and logos printed. You can also have custom branding for your shipped orders too, to make it look like they're more authentic and coming from you rather than a drop shipper here. So you can see customize the labels, the tearaway tags, and you can put your brand logo on the merch or personalize a customer's unboxing experience with packing slip, packings, or custom packaging. So in terms of the free plan, you get everything you need to run an e-commerce store, premium products, as well as built-in design tools. If you want to go up to the $9 a month plan, you get a custom mockup maker, background removal tool, as well as a promo maker. And on the $49 a month plan, you get everything in the Plus plan, press-free embroidery, file digitization, as well as free premium stock images and more. So you're going to be paying Printful on an order-by-order basis, where they are going to make a margin as well. I believe that's why they can offer a completely free plan to start out. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a nice 4.6 stars with over 3,200 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Sprocket. They do US and EU dropshipping really well, as they have custom products that you can dropship from there that can lead to faster shipping times rather than having to wait for items to come from China, which can take a few weeks at the very least when coming to the US. And so with specialized US and EU products, they're going to ship from their warehouses, and you can get products delivered to your customers in around 3 to 5 days, which is very comparable to almost any company that is shipping from the US. If you do live in the US, you can also create your own branded invoices with your own logo, and you can chat directly with suppliers for the order status. You can access millions of products here, as they're also going to integrate with Aliexpress, as well as having their own ordering system where you can import products into your store. So in terms of pricing, you can start completely free again. We get to browse their catalog and import 3 million plus US and EU products, as well as free Aliexpress dropshipping. It looks at $29.99 a month. This is who are entrepreneurs who are selling more orders, so you get unlimited orders and other necessary features. And for branded invoicing, you have to go up to the $49.99 a month plan. And then at $99.99 a month, you get unlimited premium products to build your empire. So in terms of reviews, it's sitting at a nice 4.6 stars again, with over 2,300 5-star reviews. So next we'll take a look at Trendside. This is going to be fashion drop shipping if you want to build that into your store. The warehouses offer fast shipping, with most orders being ready to ship in just a day. And so the US products are going to be delivered in a week. They use quality fair trade products. And with their platform, you can go into Trendside here and look for different items you want to be importing into your store. This could be great too if you are selling your own apparel items. Maybe you want to scale up and sell more items. So it's going to let you do that without having to pre-buy inventory. You can add it to different collections. You get a lot of detailed product images, how much the product costs, how much you should be suggested to sell it for, and how much you can earn off each sale. It's a very useful feature that they use in-house photography, as all their product listings have clean stock photos, descriptions, and measurements, so you don't have to spend the time to do that yourself. So this app is going to be free to install, and sellers are going to pay for product and shipping fees before Trendside fulfills the orders. So in terms of rating, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 1,000 5-star reviews. So if you're looking for fashion dropshipping, Trendside seems to be a good start. Lastly, we'll take a look at CJ Dropshipping here, another popular alternative. They do dropshipping, supplier, and fulfillment services from China. So they do things such as sourcing requests. So if you don't see an item you're looking for, they can go out and see if they can supply that to the CJ Dropshipping interface. They also do video marketing material, so you can shoot your own winning product campaigns. CJ is going to do that for you. They also have a USA warehouse shipping, so you can drop ship products from the US, which is going to lead to faster shipping times. So you can import your products in just a few clicks, and they also have product sourcing services as well as POD products. They source directly from 1688 and Taobao, which are alternatives to Aliexpress, and they're more geared towards the Chinese audience, whereas Aliexpress is geared towards a global audience. So this can lead to cheaper product pricing, as Aliexpress tends to be a little more expensive than those two. I know a lot of Shopify merchants use CJ dropshipping to scale their dropshipping, as well as CJ here will hide your business secrets. They're going to hide your secret once you have top sellers that belong to you, and they're not going to tell other customers about the products or about the sales. In terms of pricing, it's free to install. Then you're going to be paying a product and other service fee that's going to be displayed in their pricing links. So in terms of a rating, it's sitting at a really nice 4.7 stars with over 2,200 5-star reviews. So overall, this concludes the video on the best dropshipping plugins. Let me know in the comments what you think of these ones and if we should have added any more in. Also, if you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. So we're currently on the road to 3,000 subscribers, and that would help the channel a lot. Lastly, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc. Again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.